If you've been feeling drained lately, you're not alone. If your energy hasn't caught up with your intentions, you're not alone. And if you're feeling tired of being tired, not just physically but emotionally, you're definitely not alone. So today I want to give you a simple way to rebuild your energy when you feel depleted. Not a motivational speech and not a productivity hack. Just a grounded human way to restore yourself from the inside out. Because emotional exhaustion isn't a character flaw, it's a signal. It's a message from your system saying, I've been carrying too much for too long. And the truth is, you can't think your way out of exhaustion. You have to restore your way out. So here's a simple framework I call the energy ladder. 3 steps that help you rebuild your energy gently and sustainably. Step 1, you stabilize. Before you can rebuild energy, you have to stop the leak. Stabilizing doesn't mean fixing everything, though. It means reducing the emotional load just enough for your system to breathe. You ask yourself, what's one thing I can set down today? Not forever and not dramatically, just today. Maybe it's a conversation or maybe it's a task. Maybe it's an expectation. You see, stabilizing is the emotional equivalent of stopping the bleeding. Step 2, you soothe. Once you're stabilized, your system needs comfort, not productivity. This is where most people get stuck. They try to rebuild energy by pushing harder. But soothing is what actually restores you. Soothing can be a warm shower. It could be a slow walk. It could be a quiet moment or a comforting voice. It could be a familiar routine or a gentle pause. Soothing can be a small pleasure. You see, soothing tells your nervous system you're safe, you can soften. And when your system softens, energy begins to return. Step 3, you strengthen. This is the part many people try to jump to first, but it only works after stabilizing and soothing. You see, strengthening is not about intensity, it's about consistency. It's choosing one small action that rebuilds your internal momentum. Maybe it's tidying one corner or drinking water. Maybe it's stepping outside or sending one message. It could be doing one task or taking one step. Strengthening is the emotional equivalent of walking before you run. And here's the truth. Energy doesn't return all at once. It returns in layers. So you stabilize, soothe, then strengthen. That's the energy ladder. And when you climb it gently, your energy stops feeling like something you have to chase and starts feeling like something that naturally returns. So if you've been drained, if you've been feeling stretched, too thin, if you've been trying to push through, try the energy ladder. It's simple, it's compassionate, and it brings you back to the part of you that knows how to heal. So now you take care and stay connected.